Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So let me introduce myself first. My name is Bafara Satawa, and today I'm gonna do some English project that is name what business plan presentation. So yeah, we can just start. So as you see, we got the presentation. What is this? This is Compida business plan. So okay, I'm explaining from the start. So Compida is a brand that was just come across my mind, and it's about fast food. It's a fast food brand. So yeah, just gonna do the next. So this is the overview. Welcome to Compida, a fast food brand that brings you tasty, affordable meals, hot, fresh, blah, blah. Yeah, like usually fast food, we will serve with our best. With every service from smiles and then a good quality of food. And if you wonder what is compida meaning for, compida is from Spanish language, that is comida rapida, that is fast food, but I made an abbreviation to it, so I made it compida. In Compida, we serve flavorful fast food that always satisfying, from crispy bites to juicy burgers. So okay, and I'm gonna go into the objectives and goal. The objective is of course what the other restaurant do, to create a modern fast food restaurant that offers delicious, affordable meals and served quickly and consistently. And the goal for number one is ensure the quality and taste, maintain high standards in food quality, hygiene and flavor in every dish. And the second is innovate the menu regularly, update the menu with seasonal items and local flavors. So what this means is I'm gonna make some example. So maybe you guys are in Indonesia. So in this goal we set regularly update the menu with seasonal items and the local flavors. So in Compida we're gonna serve in in such of a country their local taste. So let's say you're in Indonesia. Indonesia, they have nasi uduk, nasi kuning, and anything else. They got many kind of rice. So maybe we gonna make a nasi uduk kompida, uduk rice kompida. I know it sounds silly, but it's just the same thing like nasi uduk McD, man. So there is no difference with that. Or maybe nasi kuning kompida. It's gonna be fun. And maybe we're gonna serve like some tea. I'm for drinks. This is just an example. Tea. I know the tea in Indonesia, they are so delicious, man. And my honorable mention is for the Javanese tea. They got so flavorful, and I love those things. And goal number three is fast and friendly service. Provide quick service with a smile to enhance the customer experience. So in Kopida, we always try to comfort and always share smile to each other. Not each other only, to our crew, our staff, even our customer. And goal number four is expand customer base. Attract a wide range of customers through strong branding, marketing, and strategic location choice. So it's kind of marketing strategy. Okay, so I'm just gonna make sure my camera is good. What does it mean with expand customer base? So it's simply like you made a social media to attract customers so they can come to Compida. And okay, so this is our target audience. Our target audience is young, targets young urban individuals and small families which seek a quick food and affordable meals. So because right now we know a lot of peoples like Gen Z or anything else are always on their phone. So of course we're gonna make a post or maybe a social media about us and maybe some memes like KFC usually, like some brands usually do, okay? Like some brands usually do. Okay. And this is the timeline. For the first quarter is finalized the brand identity. Okay, so this is it. Brand identity. I know some they I mean like maybe you kinda confused. What is a brand identity? So basically brand identity is a design that shows you what product are you that you're selling. I mean like that shows you a bold explanation about your brand. Yeah. So it's brand identity. They actually like a design. I mean like they designing like a cups logo. Logo is a brand identity, brand voice and another. So and if you see the stuff at the some fast food restaurant, they have like a uniform like yeah. That's can include to the brand identity. Some kind like that. And maybe for the do you know for the box for serving for some burgers, yeah, that's some brand identity too. And then after that, create social media content and menu photos. Yeah, this is of course I'm gonna do it. Create a social media because right now people usually always on their phone. I mean like yeah, they often on their phone. And set up online presence like Instagram deliveries. Okay. At second quarter, I mean after I finalize, I decide the brand identity, and I already create the social media. Second quarter is teasers on social media. I mean, if you wonder what kind of teasers, I haven't seen like of fast food teasers, but yeah, teasers usually just like movie teasers, right? You know, and like movie trailer or coming soon, some kind like that. So of course you're gonna make it, but at first, because this the first time. I mean, it's still our first time, so we're just gonna open one place and collaborate with local food influencers. So okay, collaborate with local food. Yes, you know, like they have some food bloggers in each country. I mean, like each country they always have some local food vloggers or food bloggers. Yeah, but I always try to to what? Oh yeah, so it's like this. This is collaborate. I mean, we make a deal with them, right? But no, what I want to do is first makes they want to make a deal with us, so we're gonna make our brand very interesting. So and then they get interested with us, and then they wanna make a deal with us, and that sounds good. And soft opening with limited menu. Okay, so it's just like brand opening promo or maybe limited edition or something like that. And the third quarter, we got launch day promo. Yeah, that's what I was said. A promo, a discount. Yeah, you gotta bold that thing, discount. Because why? Because it makes customer or maybe newly customer like maybe because people just passing away, yeah, in front of us, and we maybe putting a banner or a poster like 20% off or 10% off or buy one get one. Maybe they will be interested and trying to eat. Like, oh, I think that is a good deal, so I'm gonna eat there. So yeah, it affects, man. It's a fact. Seriously, because sometimes I like promo too. Okay, and the full menu goes live on delivery platforms. Okay, maybe in Indonesia we got Gojek and Grab, yeah, delivery platforms, full menu. And customer feedback collection. Okay, so because we are still brand opening, so we still we always accept a feedback from customer, neither that is was a critic or anything. We will always accept and always trying to be better. And fourth quarter, analyze sales and feedback and launch seasonal or menu promos, run social media campaigns and giveaways. Yeah, so most of the restaurants are using the kind side of your heart, makes you want to add some discount to make it more interesting now, to attract them, and some giveaways for what to attract them. I mean, like restaurants making discounts and giveaway, they're not I mean, like they are not show off, man. So they're not like, oh my god, we're already too rich, we're already success, so I'm gonna do some giveaway for show off. Now that was a part of the marketing, if you know. Hey, oh my god, sorry man. That was a part of the marketing, if you know, and it's a fact sometimes. So don't you ever think that like, oh, that restaurant was to show off, like, bro, he already success and he adding giveaways and seasonal. No, man, no, it's not show off. It's just a marketing technique. So you gotta remember that. Okay, so this is it about the founder. The founder is me myself, because it's just some stupid ideas that come across my mind. But okay, let me introduce myself again. My name is Banu Faraz Atawah. I'm from IDN Backpacker School Sendul, and this is presentation I make for my English project. And even I got this stupid idea, man. I got this stupid idea when I was walking around and I got this stupid idea. I think it's cool, but yeah, it's cool. Sounds cool for me, but maybe not cool for you guys. But somehow I just want these stupid ideas come true. I really hope, because I would love to have some like brand or fast food. I mean, like, maybe I'm gonna try cooking, man. Like, let me cook, because I'm a professional chef. If you don't know. No, I'm joking. I'm not even a professional chef, man. I can fry things. I can fry eggs and even make rice. So not too much I can do, but maybe for this business plan I must learn. And that was an obligation. If you want to start the brand from yourself, from myself alone, you gotta cook for yourself, man. Except you want to work with each other. I don't. It's up to you. Okay, don't mind about this. I forget to edit it. So thank you for watching this, and I really appreciate you guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.